Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Civil Ideas. So in this video we will convert this drawing into 3D and apply all the materials, and in the first video we will see it, and we will create this drawing and 2D. This was a 5 model plot, 50 by 25, and first thing that I will do this, we have some problem and this 50 and 25. So how I fix it? So D enter for 25 and text fit and primary. So I have checked this block, so this why you can see here this is a 19, and if you check it, this becomes 6. So this was one of the things that I forgot to check it. That's why I face some problem. Now we have to move it into 3D. Now I have to copy it, C enter, CO enter, and okay. So we may require it. You can delete this one, and REC rectangle we can, and also we can. This is the 3D. Okay, this is the 2D drawings. You can CO. You can see it and write it 2D, and we will convert it into 3D. So 3 into G. Okay, you can provide any color by just COL enter by coloring it, but now I'm using it simply. Now we have to draw it. So first we have to move it into 3D area. So you need to visualize 2D frame, consider realistic. You have to go to visualize and realistic. If your window is not open, you can see it here. This is the, you can on it anything from this menu, like model space grade. We have to now do in modeling, selection, filtering, anything you can check it. These are some commands you can use it. Annotation monitor. Okay, so 3D modeling. So first, if you do 2D drawings, then you can go for the drafting like this one. So your menu is minimized. You can see here this is the menu, and now if you move to 3D modeling, then you have add some 3D menu bars into this menu. So first you have to go to visualize and 2D frame. This is a we have to go to a realistic or shaded. Anyone you can choose it. So this is a realistic, and now we have to move it to home, and so you can also drag it. You can circle here. First, one thing that we can do it. You have to go to a top and just clicking it on top, and on the side you can back, and also any side, the left side, top, okay, and also rotate it. Okay. So this is now first we have to remove the stairs so that we can convert it into 3D. Either we can use it here. So as it, now we have to move it into 3D realistic view. Now I have to do first I have to create some blocks so that I can create it easily. BO enter, boundary command, BO enter. Okay, I have some problem. Let's see. I have to scale these things. I can remove these writings if I create problem in 3D. So I can remove it. If you create layers, then you can off it anything. You can also off some things in this command, like you have to select the ground floor and you have to go at these are the isolate objects and hide it. You can see it. You can also hide it like that. But if anyone is creating a problem, then you can hide it like that. Like this is the arrow, and this is the arrow, and you can hide it. Later on, you can have this back. Okay, so let's start. Now we have to here. Sorry, something that I didn't turn in. As I remove it this way, I think we can remove it from when. So left it, enter, and because it will create a problem when we draw 3D. Now extended EX double enter, or you can join it by present J. So this is the, also remove these things. No, not remove these things. Now we get a boundary BO. So this part we have to do in a 2D drawing, but this is one boundary, and this is another, and this is another. Sorry, you have to perfectly press in the middle of the wall. Sorry, you can zoom it. No, perfect. Yeah. I don't know. BO enter. Right. First, okay. And you have bounded it. Then for the second one, you have to again press a boundary command. Just pressing the spacebar or enter. Okay, press spacebar and then spacebar. Okay, you have to do it for every wall separately. Okay, okay, you can. There's a different technique to convert it to 3D by just having, there is some option and the menus you can convert it without having. You have to convert every area, because later on you will face a problem. Okay, now we will do it for the BO enter. Just okay, okay. Sorry, separately for the first, for this one. Okay, now you can see it for this one. For, so you didn't have to trim it. DR. Okay, because it will create a problem. So you didn't do it, so you have to check it, everyone. Don't, there is some mistake here. Check if there is some issue. Okay, now it's like you have to perfectly press and click in the middle. Okay, now that's okay. You have to be patient because sometimes systems are hang. You have to press Control S that your drawing can be saved, because sometimes computer hang and your drawing may can. Also, you can do it for the steps. You have to just convert one steps and you can copy it. Okay, this you have to convert all, because this dimension you cannot draw it. Okay, enter, enter. Sometimes you're not, so you have to check it. Okay, these steps are difficult to draw, and then so you have to convert all these steps because its dimensions are different. The pointer steps normally towards its corner. You be careful do this process for these types of steps because it is a kitchen. For every step you have to repeat the process, then it will apply. Okay, now this one, because now you have to draw a roof. For this, the letter for polyline. Polyline is a one line that you can start from one end and draw it anywhere you want. So you have to track your roofs. You can create here, but I'm just, you can provide a circle also, an arc, but I do. This is perfect. You can return it to the endpoint. This is I am creating for the floor area. So now CO copy, and I will CO enter. Now I will copy this. This is the roof, and also this is already first floor or the roof or the ground floor. Now we will do it for same for the third floor for the roof. So PL enter. Now we have to remove it because too many lines will create a problem, so you have to remove these things. So this is some of the steps that you have to do before converting 2D drawings into 3D. So PL enter, and these some of the lines. Okay, track the lines, and then sorry, this is a circle. You can use any technique to convert this into also sorry, I'll enter, and CO. You have to track the lines. Okay. Also one of the line here I have drawn. So I will select it. I will show you what I'm doing. Yes, enter. Okay. Now taking offset is equal to 4.5 inches. And also this is the 4.5 inches. Sorry, here's no need, but here you can provide it. So enter. This is for the parapet wall. Okay. So enter. Okay. Now you can remove the inner one from, because this is for the floor, and your floor maybe this is the floor, and this will be now you can see it when you convert it to 3D. Okay. Now boundary it. It will be very easy if you convert all these things into VR. So there's some stuff. Your run should be visible to the screen whenever you provide any command, otherwise it will not track it. So BO enter. Okay. Now you can see here again BO enter. Create some problem. You wait. Okay, now BO enter. BO enter. For floor also you can use a plot. CO. You can remove it. You can also create an extra space or AC. This is the front. BO enter, and then break point again. If there is two objects are coinciding, then you have to do repeat the process. Like here you can see the two objects are coinciding, so that you have to repeat the, otherwise it will not convert. Okay, now you can move to the, okay, so to be realistic, we are in realistic already. We can first we have to go to ground floor, extrude, solid, extrude. For extrude you can also type EXT or simply EXT. So this is your wall and to 10 feet. Okay, also you can see it. So this is line perfectly at the point. Okay, 3D. Okay. Okay, 10 feet. And feet. Now we can move to the other views. Now you can use it. The doors and everything. Like YouTube. You can create a box directly by clicking on a box here or box and 3 feet, because here we will provide a window. Okay, and here this is, you can extrude because this is because we have converted into a boundary, so there is not only bo enter, and now extrude it 10 feet. Okay, here is we will provide a box, and here we will ventilate for ventilation. You assume so box first point, second, and we will provide it until 8 feet. Okay, also here window. You can also draw walls by this box command also. You didn't have to provide uh, these all. So this is the body plan. Now we will provide a window also, like 2, 6, 7 feet. So this is the door. Just box command or rotate. You can rotate it, and then you will provide a material. This is your door. You can provide a material here. For material you have to do and to visualize. This is the material command. This is the wood. You can see it here. This is the wood. Okay. Also you can convert. Here is the like box. Just a loft command. Here this is the loft command. And for windows we can use it. And now propel it. Enter. And to propel it just. Yeah, that line or not. So I do a simple line for glass, because you have to provide a glass. So for glass you can provide just now you can provide this glass into 3D, just extruding it. Your line or not connecting. You hit it on the this one selection cycle, so very easy. 3D solid line. I have to select a line. So now extrude it into 3 feet into 5 feet. Okay, so this is 5 feet. And also here I can directly just copy it, CO. I can apply material, visualize, and go for material, and go to glass. Here's some types of glass that I have to use. Think blue one. Okay, so it's quite good now. And the upper side you can use blocks. So in this into 5 into 3 into 2 feet. Sorry, box in here. 3, so 3 not 2 feet. And enter. We need to move it. It is solid. Okay. Now you can also copy at CO. These are the same dimension, so you can copy it. Okay, now you can draw all the doors like this. This is also the box command. So 3 feet, and also the other doors you can copy it, the same one, or by drawing it by box command. So box command is very easy to draw anything. I think you can just by approximately you can MA. If you apply the same material to this door, you can also provide a real picture from in like one library. You can also from the uh, top here, create files, render, 3D materials. Okay, you can see it here. There's some pictures. Now I didn't see it. So you can also provide a real picture from here. These are all the doors. Box command. I think you have done some mistake, but you have to provide the same material here. Later on, we can change it. Same doors, you have to draw all these doors. Also, you can provide stairs. Now we have to move towards the stairs. Now you have to off this cyclic. That is something that you have to off so it may be easy for you to draw other things. Now you have to off it. So these are the things that I off it intentionally. This door is okay. Leave it. Now move this material. Now you can create glass here also. Now you can open it and extrude this line into 5 feet. This is the glass MA. So this is all the glass you can see. Now we have to convert and provide a main gate also. BO enter into 4 feet, 5 feet, small gate. Feet. Okay, now you have to provide a material. Visualize into material and into a metal sidework metals. Okay, now these are some metals. Suit. I have not seen it you now, but when you render it in a video RO, you can rotate it, close or open. So I will show you same thing. You have to select create. You can so that you may understand. Okay, now box PO and also a gate here. Wider, 6 feet height. Same material you will apply it here. And also you can remove this block. Now you convert the stairs. So by just clicking it or extrude command you can also. But we didn't have an extrude any stairs, so we have to. Now my box 8 inches. Okay, CO enter. Here's some problem. That's good. Now we have to go up to upward. I just 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and the 15th one will be the floor. So these are the steps. Now you can join it. Solid, you have to click on solid, union. You have to off these, and then because it will create problem and some. Select all these things, wait in union, select union, and then this one, and then enter. Okay, now this is, now you can apply a material, visualize, and apply any material like you can also see here library what material you edit from here, you can see it here. So you have to go to siding, roofing, plastic, paints, concrete, ceramics, finishing, flooring. In flooring will be, you can also change the property of material. Here there are some material properties that you can change it, but now I'm applying it as it is. It's materials. Okay, so now it's looking good. Now the same one we can use it for masonry. Also material finishing, siding, wall paint, okay, you can use any color, so you can apply it all sides. Okay, now it's perfect. Now you have to move. We have whatever we have height. You can also draw these doors what we have remaining, so it's not a big issue. You can end height and you can see it. Now you can apply all these things. So you have to apply a different material here. This first front wall should be same, and in the inner one you can provide white material. You can also join it by picking a solid union, and you can choose it. Sorry, you have this one. So you this block and this one, you select all these. Sometimes it will create problem. So you have to go for it. Now again, here's some. You can see it. Here you can see same material. They all you can change it later on, or you can use wall covering. Things will look better. So now we have to move to the floor. Extrude 6 inches. Also the other one. We have provided. Now you can provide the material, visualize, and material you have to choose is stones. So the roofing there stones. So you can also increase the scales of the material if you didn't see it clearly, like this you can see. So you can change it later on. Also for the front, for this. So by this command you can see it here. This is the planer, or in the box you can click on it. Okay, enter, and you can see now the materials. And so you have to, this normally you can fit which material you are applying. Now I will close it. Now CO enter. You to pick point and click it. Okay, enter. Now your ground floor is almost ready. Now you can move to the second one. Just extrude 10 feet, 10 feet, 10 feet. So this is because we have converted it into block boundary command, and 10 feet into 10 feet. Okay. Now, so these are some areas that we have didn't, so we have to convert it by box command. 0, 3 feet. Sorry, I didn't join here some spaces. 3 feet. And enter. There's some problem. Okay. Then I have a big issue. You can fill all these, but joining it, solid, union, and pressing it. Okay. Now you can see it. Now you can provide a glass. You can just copy it. CO. You can pick point. So we have first the box. It will be easy for us. Again. So the video is timing not increasing. I don't know. So this glass one. Now hit enter. Now you can extrude it by on this cycle line and to 5 feet. Now you can apply the same material MA match command and the surface and this one. Solid. Now you can off it. Also box 1 inch and second point and height 3 feet. Okay, same things you can do it. You have to just like some issue. Z enter, E enter if you are drawing. Yes, yes. Z enter, E enter, you have to remove all this extra. Z enter, E enter. Okay. Now box. Now you have to provide 8 feet. Here also 3 feet. Okay. Now you can use the doors and everything. You can copy it. CO. Okay. Now 2 feet. CO. 2 feet. And you can also provide here any type of glass or sorry as material for the ventilation. Your shoe, we didn't provide the other shoe. We can also provide it here, like I didn't change the dimension and enter. We go on the orthogonal. Sorry. Ortho on. And now you can 2 feet and enter 1 feet. Sorry, now you can remove it like select this one, enter, and this one, and you can create a hole like that. Okay, this is for your show, and you can join it union. Now your um, and you can provide the same material. Don't know what's the problem. So union, I don't know. So we will provide a material here. Now we can go to the next step. So you can provide same door here, CO, Kazarian, and here to so you can here it will be rotated. So box command you can draw all the doors. So in CAD you can MA. These are all the same commands. You have to use all these doors, and here are the stairs for the second. So I will draw it. Select. Now you have to hide this one. Go to isolate object, hide. Okay, now 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. You have to coordinates under. Now you have to apply the extrude edges because we have used a little space by the edges. You need to provide edges a riser to all these steps. Increase the height, then your steps will be minimized. Now let's get more M. So this is a in this one video you may have clear all these steps. Sorry, I think now you have to copy a COM. You have to select the base point correctly, otherwise you will change the angle so that you can understand what we are doing. You can see how we move upward. This stairs is going to the roof. So we have left one. That one. This is the last one that we have to move it. Now you can see. Now you can join it. Union. Now union. You can apply the same material as we applied here. You can see. Now we have to that we have height and object. Now you can see and enter. I don't know problems we are facing. We have to go to visualize and data material. Stop. Oh. need to provide same here to both one. The walls are normally white, but now you can provide it and color wall covering. Now you can now this is the roof. We have CO enter or require this for the balcony. So we enter extrude command, or we can provide a 6-inch height, and we can provide material the same one as. Okay, now you can place it here. You can move it also, but the point. Okay, now you can see here I will explode command X enter and explode it. Now I have to, you can see it has been exploded. And you may have a lot of options here. So pressing a cylinder 1 inches you can directly, so it's very simple. 3 feet. Okay, now I can copy it. I just randomly copy it. You can specify a specific dimension, specific distance. Now you can provide a grid here. Like a polyline. The polyline, sorry. Click on the center of each cylinder. Also, you can extend it to here. Now it will be easy. Now you can make a circle 1 inches, 1 inch per 25 mm. Now you have to, there is a command where you can you have to check axis, on which axis you have to 90 degree. Okay, I think it's not. Now you can check it another dimension also. Now you have to provide loft command. So you have the loft, solid, sweep, and water path. You can see it. Perfect. Also you can raise this one, polyline. Like this is a, you can provide here a glass. So we have to just by assuming you can do it perfectly. So now extrude this line. Think up to 3 feet. This is, I think, now again material is assuming the same material. Now CO enter because we can use it. You have to join all these solid union. union all the grids. Select it. Okay, now you can copy it, CO, and selecting the paste point. Now you can CO, you can see it. The glass, you can bring like the same material. We applied the gears and the grill. Okay, now you're almost ready. Now you can provide a parapet wall, extrude. Extrude is creating a problem. Create a problem. So you have to just, you can buy a loft. You can apply this command for walls also. Or you can raise it, or you can propel it, propel, and select. Don't know why it is creating a problem. We have propel it because we have, sorry, you can get a problem. Don't know. To 2 feet, and then reline. The polyline we have to provide some extra glass and portion that may create a good look. You can on the selection cycling 3D solid polyline. So we have created a polyline. So we have to move the polyline up to 1.5. Also, Now we do the roof. Line. Next, explode command. Just BO. So we have done this one. So we have to just boundary command and okay. So now you have to extrude it. Now apply the same material. Now you can place this thing. You can see it. You can delete it from here or move it. Maybe used anywhere. Now we can place this floor. CO. You can copy it. We may have used it in the next time. So I am selecting the wrong point. You have to select perfectly this point. This downward point should be selected so that you may place it perfectly. Now you can see it. You now have to place this floor. CO. And we have selected everything. So now you have to just you can check it. Everything's ready. Now okay. Now you have to select the base point. Now you click here. Not move it fastly, otherwise oh sorry. Okay, perfect. No problem. Just slow down your system when you now you can see it. Your house is almost ready. So one mistake we have and here is there's a mistake in here, and you can also you have to provide a box here. There's no big problem. You just provide. And also we have done some mistakes and stairs. So you have to take care of it. No problem, you can fix it. Literally just MA solid surface. Okay. Now we have provided glass. Now person we also CO the grain and glass. Solid ready. So we have to CO surface ready. Super side. Now you can see it perfectly. You can also provide some other materials. Now after rendering, you will see you can delete this text. So you can also and you can move this one. Your system is very so there is column creating by system. When you do these steps, now you have to join it or you can see it. So we have to remove this one. So it should not be used here. So you have to explore it. You can see here. You can remove it because this one should not be used here. So this type of problem will occur. So I just draw it randomly so that you understand basic steps of Autocad. You can remove all these lines by hiding all these things from here. Isolate but now it doesn't need for the box. You can use just boxes from here to here, and you can provide 10 feet. Okay, why not 10 feet? Okay, okay, now it's quite. You can provide the same material. You have to now off this, I think. Okay, now you can provide a different material from visuals and materials you can use, and also, and what you want. I want different material, different. That's why I didn't light. You can combine it. This block should be. You can rejoin it again, and by converting it into union solid. So these are all. Now you can see what I'm doing. Z enter, E enter. So your rank is here. Now you can provide a box like here to you have to select the box, and okay, you can. I'm facing some problem. So you can add some different materials. So here I can use some different materials like solid, visualize, and material, and stone. Like you can see here, this is a stone you can provide it on the surface. Here you should provide a wall. We didn't have increase the wall size. That's why you're facing some problem. So you can convert, you can draw a box here like visualizing. Sorry. You can fix it. So you can fix it, move it. Snap is off, I think that's why. Yeah, that's not good. So that's all about the 3D. You can also draw this wall by 2D, like taking a box here underneath we have drawn. You can draw a wall here. Sometimes it's create a problem. You may have fixed it. So this is all about the 3D. Now the video is time is increasing, so I have to move it to render it. These are the all steps you can. It's look better. Now you can also provide a material for this length. So this is the sorry. Here you can provide a material like grass. I'm looking for a grass or site work. On site work you may find a grass. This is a grass you can provide it. Okay. Scale is not. You can also increase the scale. Enter and you can increase the scale. It's got better. Okay. I will now I have to render it because I may have to apply a different material here. Stone. Provide any material or provide a siding. Yes, this one. This is what. Now it's look good. Now we have rendered it. So for render you have to do a setting render and visualize render materials. All these are in the same menu. So you have to on the environment. You can increase the so custom the ground. You can so the ground is solid or gradient or image, any image you want to provide. So first I have to provide this one, and you can increase the light. You can also draw roads and any infrastructures, and now you have to render it. Okay. High quality, and you have to use a window. Yes, I go. So enter. Now, you can also provide a box here. It will take some time. That's why I'm not using it. There's some problem in the colors. You can also provide image material. Also match this material. It's quite better now. You can use different material. And glass before finish. Stone. You can use a type of stone here. I think this one is look. I will render it. Render enter. I have now go for render. Press render. Work without using. So these all things you can create. So just I provide this handrail. So your rendering is almost completed. Now it is 100%. Okay, now you can save your picture. Just right click and save, and you can save it in the desktop. Okay, 32-bit. So you can save this across it, and you can see your picture here. You can see your picture here. I think picture save or not. Picture is not saving. But anyhow, the big issue you can in the window, you can see here, you can here just save. Now you can see here we have save it any documents. Okay, you can check out for documents. You can see it here. This. So this is your home. So thank you. If you're still in question, you can comment. See you in the next video. Thank you.